Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a very simple and easy butter chicken recipe. The ingredients you will need is 2 pounds of boneless chicken, 1 cup of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of green chili, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of fresh cream. We're going to start off by marinating our chicken with lemon juice, yogurt, half of the ginger garlic paste, and we're going to be using Shan butter chicken masala. Mix all of the ingredients well together and let them marinate for about 1 hour. After our chicken has marinated for 1 hour, we're going to start to cook. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to medium heat. Also add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add the remaining ginger garlic paste. We're going to saute for about 1 minute and then add our chicken. We're going to allow the chicken to cook for 5 to 10 minutes and stir occasionally. Continue to cook the chicken until half of the water is gone. After the water has dried a little, I'm going to add the tomato paste. We're going to cover the chicken with the lid and cook for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add fresh cream. You can now add green chilies. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter and allowing it to melt. After the butter has melted, the butter chicken is ready to serve. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. You only need a few ingredients. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it was in the comments below. As always, if you enjoy this recipe, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.